Hi guys, so let's review some of the answers from the previous slides. You had the equation 4 times 2, and you were asked to show that equation in 2 out of 3 ways, an array, equal groups, or repeated addition. I will start with my array. Remember, really cool math, rows and columns, rows first and then columns. So I'm going to go ahead and do 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and now 4 groups of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That shows 4 groups of 2 equals 8. Let's check to make sure we did that correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, really. 1, 2 columns, cool math. Okay, so 4 times 2 equals 8. Let's check to make sure that it equals 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So that is my array to show 4 groups of 2 equals 8, or 4 times 2 equals 8. You could have done an equal groups drawing. So I could do 4 groups. Let me change my tool. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I have 4 groups of 2 equals 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. You could also use repeated addition, and you only needed to show 2 ways, but here is your third way that you could have shown your answer. And if I have the amount of 2 in each group, I'm going to add that like this and double check your work to make sure that you've typed enough. So I'm going to go back and add that extra 2. And I will count how many groups of 2 I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 2. So it's the same way that I say this equation. 4 groups of, make your X, 2. 4 groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Your other question asked you to skip count. So on the next slide, you could have used a text box to skip count. You could have either said 4, 8, or 2, 4, 6, 8. This is 2 groups of 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. This is 4 groups of 2 because you're counting by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. I hope that is helpful.